Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. I'm gonna add one more part to this. This is the statue of Kumin or Guanyin, depending on which language Cantonese or Mandarin. And I just want to go through this park real quick. So, this park basically is a kind of a canyon of buildings, you know, between these two sides. And sometimes kids will play in this area. They'll run through it, and they'll have a lot of fun, as you can see. Any kid would, right? And you can see these banyan trees. These are pretty small ones, but we're going to go through some really large ones in a minute. It's kind of evenly paced. I'm surprised they're probably going to break through all this. The roots can be really strong. I mean, maybe the roots go underneath, and that might be all roots underneath there. I don't know the way they might grow. But up here you have some more larger banyan trees, which is what we're going to walk through momentarily. Okay, let's see. Right there is a cultural center straight ahead, straight down that road. And they'll have some more of the fine arts kind of things, like that's where a ballet would be, or jazz musicians, or you know, something that's deemed as very cultural and sponsored by the government, more or less, probably subsidized by the government. This one right here, you can see these little lily pads, and then you can also see goldfish, like the Japanese kind of style goldfish. I don't see any right at the moment. You'll also see turtles too. I don't see any of those either. But sometimes I've seen them very overcrowded in here. So it's hard to say, maybe they consciously cleaned them all out. I see the goldfish now. Looks like they're being fed over here, so let's take a look. There we go. So yeah, they're all over here. There's a little turtle, the one turtle, and many of these goldfish. So I guess they're be a feeding frenzy at the moment. Okay, so they're all in one spot. I guess they were all being fed, so they all came over. So let's just walk straight down here. These are the banyan trees right here. So yeah, got some pretty elaborate root systems. And they go all the way down. They're planted all the way down, so they kind of has a nice canyon feel with the buildings like that, and then all the way down. And sometimes they'll have some nice lights up here too. So they'll do things to make it, to beautify it. So like lights, meaning like they'll cover it like this. They'll do that especially for Chinese New Year, regular New Year's, any kind of celebration, Christmas. And then they'll put a certain decor. So like right here they might put something for New Year's, you know, things like that, or Easter or whatever. They'll celebrate all the stuff that's both Chinese and also the Chinese holidays as well. Yeah, it's a pretty beautiful park. So we're gonna walk all the way down, and then we'll see what this main one is down here. So yeah, and these two sides are basically, there's some casinos way over there, Wynn Casino, and then along here there's like Macau Red Cross. So basically there'll be a lot of office space. So we're gonna go all the way down, and then we're gonna see what the red thing is that's straight ahead. Nice little paths everywhere. Kind of a nice garden feel. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's a nice area. They always have these red apples in a lot of different places. Food safety. It's a whole thing about food safety, I guess. And then to the right there's a play area, but we're gonna see what this big red one is straight ahead. It looks like it's lotus flowers. I don't know what it symbolizes. Let's try to get close and see. Then we'll probably conclude the video at this spot. Yeah, maybe somebody else knows what it is. And there's a play area right here. And we're just gonna walk out of the park. And I guess we'll walk out right here. Okay. So that's a little part of Macau here. Hope you enjoyed it.